So y'all, these are the cookies. They came out, I mean, they've only been drying for about 5 or 6 minutes, but I'm very excited to try them. But they came out they seemed very cakey, and I didn't want them to be like that. So this is how it looks. Also, I didn't really have much chocolate chips to put in them. They kind of look like cake, so I'm not very excited about them. But let's try it. So like I said, the inside is a bit light and cakey, so if you like your cookies like that, which I personally don't, you might like it. But then the edge still has that crisp that I do like. I don't know if I showed this, but I also put some peanut butter in there. So, I mean, it tastes very average, not what I was expecting and not what I wanted. But I will be perfecting this recipe, so if you think I just got defeated by some cookies, I didn't. So you'll see me again. They'll see me again. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you try this recipe and like it. I don't know if you will like it. If I had to rate it, I give it a, I mean, it's very average. I give it like a 6 out of 10. Like, it's not nasty by any means, but I like my cookies a certain texture. You're good. So it's just not what I wanted personally. Everyone likes different things though, so I hope you like it. Can I star in your video? I hope you guys like it. See you in the next video. Bye. So guys, I did forget to say this. I used self-rising flour instead of the all-purpose flour, which is what the recipe called for, and I'm guessing that's why they turned out like this, because I followed another recipe that I'll link below. This, I didn't make this recipe up, I followed a recipe. So I'm gonna link that one, but I think the reason why they turned out this way is because I used self-rising flour instead of all-purpose flour. So, you know, if you use the right flour, you're gonna get the right results. But that's all I had. So yep, thank you.
lost my mind, wasted too much time watching screens I left on channel 9, maybe channel 5. I just saw the news and